and I'm going to be going over my project 3 for software modeling and design. All right, so there's a good bit to get into here, so I'll go ahead and start it up. So I'm just going to go ahead and run the server, and I'll go ahead and run the client. And we'll go into it with the manager. So as you see here, you come to a login screen where you can log in with the username and password, or you can sign up. But for now, let's just go ahead and get in here with the admin or the manager, so to speak. All right, and now we're in the manage product window. So let's just go ahead and demonstrate adding a product first of all. So let's just add in an Xbox Series S for $249.99. Let's add in one, and we'll go ahead and save the product. And there it shows up at the bottom there. Now we've added it in. Now I can change information about an existing product. So for instance, let's say that I don't want this to be a Series S anymore. I want it to be a Series X, and it's going to be $499.99. And one moment here. Okay. And if I save this product, we should see the price come up, and it did. I'm going to play with this setting really quick. All right. And I can also load up products as well. So, for instance, product 1 should be an Apple that costs $1, and there's one of them. So that about covers the manager view. So go ahead and X out of all this really quick, and let's restart the server and the client, and we'll get into the customer side of things. All right. So here we come into the login screen, and to sign up as a customer, let's say my login system, my sign-up system is pretty quick in terms of like it doesn't really take you too much of a page or anything like that, so much as it's just very simple to sign in or sign up, I should say. So here we have all of our existing users. Let's just go ahead and add in Logan B. Massey. Let's just make the password something simple like 444. And if I sign up, then I should see that there I am. And not only that, but in the customer side of things, it pulls you up and you have the only thing that's on file is your username and password, and then the other fields are left blank with no record because you can go in and fill that out in the manage user account kind of page. And your display name is your username, and of course I'm not a manager. And the user IDs are assigned based on size, so you don't actually get to choose that because I just figured that's a lot of unnecessary fuss. Nobody even chooses the user IDs in the real world anyways. So, all right, and let me just go ahead and log in here. And so you see that we're in the customer view, and we have a welcome message, and I've been signed up for the system. And here, if I want to be able to manage my user information, then I just click on here. And so customer ID, I was 4, I believe. Yes, 4. My username was Logan B. Massey. Now, of course, I can change my username, and let's go ahead and just do that. So let's just say I want to be Logan B. M. And my password, I can change. It was 444. Let's now make it 1234. And full name, I can put in Logan Massey here. Email, let's just do lbm0022@mail.com. Payment method is going to be card. Address 101 Street, anywhere, USA. And phone number, we'll just do 123-456-1234. And if I press Save Customer, then you'll see that, oh, well, first of all, on here, my login information changed. So now I'm Logan BM, and 1234 is my password, and now the display name has changed. And if we go over to customers, we can see that all that has been updated here too. So full name's been updated, my email's been updated, the card, address, phone number, all that got changed. And so now let's look at what you can, oh yeah, I'll go ahead and show you this too. So I can load up kind of information. So let's say I want to load up customer 3, it shows that. And let's say I want to load myself back up again. It'll show all that stuff. So we just showed that we know how to do all that. Back over to here, some more things you can do as the customer. Goodness. Let's just create a new order. And so here you get a randomized order ID, and you can add products to it. And so let's pull up the product thing so I can see what I want to add. Let's just add in a, sorry, there's a lot of windows open, but let's just add in a switch, just one of them, and it pulls up there. And let's add in a PS5, and one of those. And let's add in an Xbox, one of those. And then if we go ahead and create the order, we should see an order pop up here. Yes, right here. And it shows your total cost and total tax and all that good stuff. I'm sorry, I have so many windows pulled up here. All right, and we can also search for products. So I will pull that up now. So let's say, okay, it brings us to this page, search products. So I can put in an ID. So let's say I want to see what product 10 is. That's a switch, $249, and then the product quantity. And let's say, I want to do product 6, search, and there's that. So the search functionality is all there. I wanted to implement a search by name, so that we could get more results back, and it'd be a lot more lenient, but time constraints have done me in, so I won't be able to do that. And manage order history, I don't really have anything on that. I don't believe that that button has a functionality or anything like that. But I believe out of the 11 things, I've covered about 8, because the only thing I can't do is change existing orders, cancel an order, and see the order history. So I believe that that hits all the points. This video ran a tad long, but thanks for watching. Goodbye.